Welcome to Red Rock Trail, a hidden gem located in the Santa Ynez Mountains near Santa Barbara, California. Nestled within Los Padres National Forest, this scenic trail leads hikers through a beautiful canyon surrounded by towering red sandstone formations and lush vegetation. The highlight of this trail is its hidden secret pool, tucked away among the striking red rocks at the end of the hike. From above, the drone reveals a breathtaking view of this natural oasis, where crystal clear water contrasts beautifully with the vibrant canyon landscape. Join us as we explore one of Santa Barbara's most unique outdoor destinations and experience the stunning aerial views of Red Rock Trail and its hidden secret pool. Welcome to Red Rock Trail, a popular hiking destination located in the Santa Ynez Mountains near Santa Barbara. Our adventure begins here at the trail access area. Due to water flowing across the low water bridge, vehicles are often unable to continue beyond this point. As a result, visitors must park before the crossing and begin the hike on foot. A day use fee of $10 is required to enter the recreation area. There is no dedicated parking lot at the trailhead, so most hikers park along the roadside wherever space is available. On busy weekends, parking can fill up quickly, making an early start a good idea. From here, the trail follows the canyon deeper into the mountains. The hike is several miles round trip and requires some patience and effort, but the destination is well worth the journey. The actual Red Rock Trail parking area is located about 2 miles further ahead from here. However, due to a road blockage caused by water crossing the bridge, vehicles are not able to proceed any further. Because of this, all visitors need to park before the closure point and begin their hike from this location. Although this adds some extra distance to the journey, the walk is not very difficult. The path is mostly gradual and follows a scenic canyon road, making it a comfortable and enjoyable start to the hike. From here, we continue on foot toward the official trailhead and deeper into the canyon. Along the way, you can see the river running beside the road, flowing gently through the canyon. My dad and I decided to step down from the road to take a closer look and experience it up close. The water level was quite low, and the flow was very mild. While the surroundings were calm and scenic, we noticed a lot of algae in the water, which made the river less appealing than expected. Along the road, we also came across a rocky area filled with small potholes and uneven holes carved into the surface. At first glance, it looked unusual, and we got curious whether it could be some kind of bird nesting area or natural formation used by wildlife. To get a better view, I decided to launch my drone and carefully fly it closer to the rocky section. As the drone moved in, we started observing more details that were not visible from the ground. After a closer look, we finally discovered what it actually was. It turned out to be a beehive activity area, with bees moving in and out of the holes in the rock. It was interesting to see such a natural setup hidden in the landscape, but at the same time, I didn't want to get too close or disturb them. There was also a risk that the bees could hit the drone or damage the propellers, which could cause it to fall from the air. So I kept a safe distance and slowly flew the drone back. Even though we didn't explore it closely, it was still fascinating to observe nature from above and discover something unexpected along the trail. As we continued along the trail, we reached a small bridge that was completely covered with flowing water. There was no way to cross without stepping into it, so we had to pause and take off our shoes before moving forward. It turned out to be a fun and new experience for me, walking barefoot through the shallow water in the middle of the trail. The water was cool and refreshing, but as we looked closer, we noticed that it was filled with tiny baby frogs scattered all around the shallow areas. At times, they wouldn't move even when our feet came close, so we had to carefully step over them or gently place our steps in between. It was a bit tricky and surprising at first, but we tried to move slowly and avoid disturbing them as much as possible. Even though it made crossing slower, it was also a unique moment to experience nature so closely. After carefully making our way across the water-covered bridge, I finally managed to reach the other side and continue the hike, feeling both relieved and excited for what was ahead on the trail. Finally, we arrived at the actual starting point of Red Rock Trail, where there is a designated parking area and basic restroom facilities. However, Due to the earlier road closure, we had already covered nearly 2 miles on foot just to reach this official trailhead. Now that we are here, the real hike begins. From this point, we still need to continue deeper into the canyon to reach the highlight of the journey, the famous secret pool of Red Rock Trail. With the main trail ahead of us, the adventure is just getting started. From this point onward, we finally step onto the real Red Rock Trail. The path quickly changes into a rocky and uneven terrain, with loose stones, uneven surfaces, and narrow sections that require careful footing. Proper hiking shoes and basic gear are definitely important here to move safely and comfortably through the trail. By now, I was already feeling quite exhausted from the extra distance we had covered earlier just to reach this point. The long walk before even starting the main trail had taken its toll, but there was still a strong motivation to continue. My dad kept encouraging me, and I decided to push through without any complaints. Even though my legs were tired, I kept moving forward step by step, focusing on the journey ahead rather than the fatigue. The surrounding canyon scenery and the thought of reaching the secret pool kept me going. With determination and steady pace, I continued deeper into the rocky trail, knowing that the best part of the adventure was still waiting ahead. As we moved further along the trail, you can clearly see the rocks displaying different shades of color, ranging from deep reds and oranges to lighter earthy tones. This natural variation is part of the famous red rock formations, and it adds a beautiful, colorful character to the entire canyon landscape. Even though I was already completely exhausted at this point, the scenery around me kept me going. As the trail continued, there was no clearly marked or designated path anymore. Instead, we had to carefully navigate over large rocks, uneven surfaces, and natural obstacles. It required more physical effort, balance, and focus with every step. Despite the fatigue, I kept pushing myself forward, determined to reach the destination. These striking rock colors are formed over time due to minerals such as iron oxide and other natural elements. The oxidation process gives the rocks their distinctive rusty red, orange, and brown hues, creating the unique landscape we see today. Even with tired legs and challenging terrain, I continued moving deeper into the canyon, motivated by the journey ahead and the promise of reaching the secret pool at the end of the trail. At this point in the hike, you can literally see me no longer just walking, but climbing over uneven rocks and navigating the rough terrain step by step. This was completely unexpected for both me and my dad. We didn't anticipate the trail to become this challenging, but we still decided to push through and continue. The day was getting hotter, and I could already feel my energy levels dropping. The combination of heat, exhaustion, and difficult terrain was making the hike much tougher than we had planned. Still, we kept moving forward with determination. Along the way, we came across a small cave-like opening in the rocks. Curiosity took over, and I decided to explore it a bit. I carefully placed my camera inside to see what was there. From what we could see, it was a surprisingly deep cave extending further inside the rock formation. It was hard to tell whether this cave was naturally formed over time through erosion, or if it had been partially man-made in the past. The interior looked untouched and mysterious, adding another unexpected discovery to our journey. Even with fatigue setting in, moments like this made the hike more interesting and kept us going deeper into the trail. At last, we reached the end point of the Red Rock Trail, and here we finally see the famous secret pool. After a long and tiring hike, the view that opened up in front of us was truly rewarding. We noticed many visitors already at the pool, relaxing on the rocks and enjoying the sun. Some were swimming in the cool water, while others were simply lying back and taking in the peaceful surroundings. It really looked like the perfect spot to unwind after a challenging trail. This place is definitely worth the effort for anyone who wants to swim, relax, or just enjoy nature at its best. However, we were not prepared to get into the water, which was one of our small mistakes on this trip. Even though we didn't go inside the pool, I decided to capture the moment from above. I flew my drone to get an aerial view of the secret pool and its surrounding canyon. From the sky, the contrast between the clear water red rocks, and people enjoying the area looked absolutely stunning, giving a perfect final highlight to our journey. From above, the secret pools look absolutely stunning. The aerial view reveals crystal clear water surrounded by natural rock formations and lush surroundings. It's amazing to see how hidden and peaceful this spot is from the sky. Truly a perfect blend of nature, calmness, and untouched beauty captured from above. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I truly appreciate your time and support in joining me on this journey. If you have already visited this amazing place, I would love to hear your experience. So please leave a comment below and share your memories. Your feedback means a lot and helps me connect with all of you. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support motivates me to create more travel and adventure videos like this and keep exploring new places to share with you all. See you in the next video.